Hey, have you ever wondered about the magic behind Cardano, one of the largest cryptocurrencies out there? Or why its creation even mattered when we already have Ethereum? Well, stay tuned, as today we'll be diving deep into the world of Cardano. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what Cardano is and why it's unique in the crypto world. Welcome back to the Kryptovan YouTube channel, dear viewers, so let's get started. Let's wind the clock back a bit. In 2015, a genius named Vitalik Buterin introduced Ethereum. It was a sensation. But did you know, among its key co-founders was a man named Charles Hoskinson. Fast forward a couple of years and Charles is introducing Cardano to the world. Now you might be thinking, why another cryptocurrency? Why Cardano when Ethereum was already there? Here's the thing, Cardano wasn't just another crypto. It had a purpose. Charles identified three big problems in the crypto world: scalability, interoperability and sustainability. And he aimed to tackle these head-on with Cardano. Let's break it down. First up, scalability. If you've been in a crypto game, you're no stranger to Bitcoin scalability issues. With its current block size, Bitcoin manages a mere 5 to 7 transactions per second. To give some perspective, the Visa network can handle tens of thousands of transactions every second. Makes you think, right? The Bitcoin block size debate has spanned years, but one pressing question looms over nearly every cryptocurrency. How can we scale effectively? Enter Charles Hoskinson. His perspective? We need blockchain systems that speed up with more users, not ones that lag. In essence, a blockchain's capability should increase proportionally with its usage. It's like having more lanes on a highway when traffic increases. Cardano's approach to this? Epochs. They're a way to decide who validates which blocks in the blockchain. Diving deeper, they utilize slots. Think of these as designated roles where nodes, simply computers in a network, can be chosen to lead. This ingenious system is called Ouroboros. And while we could spend an entire video unraveling its depth, what's vital to understand is its ability to split these slots even further, enhancing scalability. Speaking of scaling, we are thrilled to share that our channel is scaling too. With every new video, our community expands. Next, interoperability. It's a fancy term for saying Cardano plays well with others. Imagine if your iPhone could only call other iPhones. Cardano ensures that's not the case in the crypto world. It uses a special method to bridge with other cryptocurrencies, ensuring everyone can work in harmony. Cardano's sustainability is about maintaining a robust network. It has a treasury system that rewards those who contribute, ensuring that it can keep growing and adapting. You will find Cardano is designed in a very calculated manner. That's because its mastermind, Charles Hoskinson, was a mathematician. He approaches challenges with reason, logic and a lot of research. Speaking of math, did you know Cardano is named after an Italian mathematician? And ADA, the coin we trade, is named after Ada Lovelace, often seen as the world's first computer programmer. Hoskinson's passion shines through. He keeps the community updated with live streams, and there's an ever-growing stack of research papers and reviews backing Cardano's development. Cardano isn't just another crypto project. It's methodical, it's driven by research, and it's got a goal: to tackle big challenges sustainably. And with the vibrant community behind it, the future looks promising. So, how is Cardano different from Ethereum? Well, Cardano has been a proof-of-stake blockchain from the start. To keep it simple, this is like letting those who own more Cardano have a bigger say in decisions. It's a bit like having more voting power in a club because you've been a member for longer. Cardano's journey is well planned, with a roadmap touching major milestones. From its foundation to future governance, Cardano is here to stay and aims to make a significant mark in the crypto world. Alright folks, that's Cardano in a nutshell. An ambitious project, a visionary founder and a clear roadmap. If you found this enlightening, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto knowledge. And as always, keep questioning, keep learning. Until next time.